vendors who are there, all the urban sketchers who are present there, here, the community art volunteer, everybody who's there, they are all a part of this event. So if you want to thank, please thank each one of them. Because without you all, it is not possible to celebrate anything. It is done only in a unity. By myself, if I stand here, I can't celebrate anything. So I created Sushila Goyal Group in October of 2022, which is almost 2 years ago, in the honor of my mother, Sushila Goyal. This group provides a platform for people, kids, young women, seniors, people from different backgrounds to come together in a healthy and productive way. Did you like it or did you love it? Saurabh Das, how did you make it possible? So many instruments, so many languages, so many kids.
It's because of them, right? I mean,
Got the talented bunch, right, Matt? Thank you so much for taking time today.
She is a piano player, so I always get to listen to Bollywood every day, all the time. It's the best. And she teaches me so much about India.
For all the parents who support the kids, their activities along with their usual responsibilities and chores and office work, it means a lot.
But really quickly, I want to say happy Diwali. How's everyone feeling here today? Everyone feeling good? I think we can do a little bit better. Happy Diwali. Is everyone feeling good? Much better, much better. As Megan mentioned, my name is Arnold. I'm here on behalf of the Downtown Kitchener BIA. We're a proud sponsor, a supporter, but we can't take any credit for anything that has been done here today. This all credits go to Mega and her amazing team, all of you performers.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय
with this, I will welcome our next sponsor, Hakka Chow, beautiful sizzling Anjali and Ritik.
Thank you, Megha, for this awesome opportunity, for giving us the stage today. It's been such an honor to be able to help support this program, this Diwali event. Very happy Diwali to everyone, and thanks for coming and supporting us.
Happy Diwali to everyone. Thanks, Megha, for connecting everyone in the community.
We have been able to cover the event cost because of their support and also always the positive energy that he brings to events and wherever he goes. So thank you for being yourself, Saurabh.
glass of milk full of sugar.
Sweet Master and Dwarkesh Indian Cuisine. They have set up their stalls here. You can purchase food. She got an idea now. No, it's not that.
For some time because he is very kind. He is also small baby.
Okay.
The Kolkata Connection stall. I have variety of sarees today. Katans, Uparas, then there are kalamkari, then there is Georgette and lots of silk sarees, and then crepe Georgettes and lots of
Hi everyone, my name is Sasha Tees. As a drag performer, that's my performance name. Out of drag, my name is Maddie. You can find me on social media. My Instagram is I am Sasha
Ashwa horse, Sarka snake, Good afternoon. It's so great to be with you for Diwali. I don't know how many Diwali events I've been to this year. It seems like the season's even more extended. I know we had Roy down in Ottawa about a week or two ago now. We had Diwali on the Hill and the PM was there. The room was packed. But I mean, there were some before that. So it's such a wonderful festival and season. It's nice that it's extended.
Thank you so much, Valerie, for taking time out. It means a lot for Indian community.
बिटिया मेरी सो जाए नींदी आँखों में आए बिटिया मेरी सो जाए बाबा मैं तेरे मन का टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो
Look at her clothes. So provoking. I don't think she's a female of good reputation.
A woman can't sit on the scholars panel unless she's accompanied by a man.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy. She's walking on fire.
T-shirt पहन के आया साइकिल लोन रानी को रोटी शर्ट ऐसी धाकड़ है ऐसी धाकड़ है ऐसी धाकड़ है ऐसी धाकड़ है.
What do you want to prove? That women are better than men?
How did our forefathers know that women have weaker intellect?
They noticed.
But how, my lord?
From 13 states of India, let's see which state gets the most voting. Come on. The first state is Assam. Assam is a state in the northeastern India known for its silk tea plantations and wildlife. Assam is home to the one of state in the eastern part of India, birthplace of the world famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is known for its art and cultural heritage. So if you couldn't attend any Bengali event, you can get a glimpse of Bengali culture here today in their beautiful saris in the west of the state, Maithili in the north, Maghai in the central and south of the state. Put your hands together for Bihar! Woo! Delhi is the capital city of India. It is also a state, so New Delhi is the capital city and state is India. It is situated in the northern part of India. Delhi has many historical monuments and tourist attractions, as well as lively marketplaces and great street food, such as chaat and sohan halwa. You can try some of that here today. Weaving. Diwali is one of the biggest festivals and people from Delhi speak Hindi. So this is another pair of beautiful mother and daughters setting an example on stage. Thank you, thank you. Gujarat is the state along the western coast of India. It is renowned for its beaches, temple towns, wildlife sanctuaries, vibrant textiles and handicrafts, and mineral resources. Gujarat is famous for snacks like dhokla and fafda, and sweet treats like jalebi. Navratri is the most popular festival in Gujarat, and people there speak Gujarati. Another mother-daughter pair. So guys, this is a multi-generational performance. That's another state from India, Kerala. Kerala is a state in the southern part of India. It is the state with the highest literacy rate in India. It's known for its achievements in education, health, gender equality, social justice, law and order. Rice and fish is the staple food of Kerala. The use of coconut is also prominent in Kerala cuisine. Maharashtra. If you know Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western peninsular region of India. It is one of India's biggest commercial and industrial centers, which has led to its being called the Gateway of India. The culture of Maharashtra is a rich blend of traditional customs, art forms, festivals, and cuisines. The most important festival celebrated is Ganesh Chaturthi. Coming up next is Odisha. Odisha is an Indian state located in eastern India. Odisha has a wide range of tourist attractions, from coastlines to pilgrimage sites. Puri Beach is a major attraction, known for its golden sands and vibrant beach market. Coming up next is Punjab, the state of Bhangra, Gidda. Punjab is a state in northwestern India. Punjab is renowned for its vibrant culture, which includes traditional music and dance forms like Bhangra and Gidda. The state is also famous for the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Punjabi is the official language of the state. Another beautiful mother-daughter pair. Look at this little one. Oh my God. Hats off to her courage. And thank you to the mom for putting this together for us, even with a little kid. This is another beautiful mother and son pair. She is dressed in all of the states are dressed in traditional Rajasthani dress. Their own culture, their own province. Rajasthan is a state in northwestern India. Rajasthan is known as the land of kings. Hindi, Marwari, Mewari, Lodi, Malvi, etc. Teej is one of the main festivals of Rajasthan, a vibrant monsoon celebration dedicated to women. Another example of father and daughters on the stage today. That's a Rathore from Rajasthan. And then that's Rani Padmavat from Rajasthan. And there is a little Balika Badhu in the corner doing all the chores. Sorry about that, but Sindhis are folks who originated from the northwestern part of India with roots in Indus Valley civilization. They are known to excel in fields of business and art, which is the birthday of Jhunelal Sai, called as Chedi Chand and Kailo Sahib. Put your hands together for the Sindhi culture of India. Thank you so much. Embedded in the heart of India, Uttar Pradesh is the land where cultures and religions have evolved. This sprawling strait is a testament of India's rich heritage, boasting 3 World Heritage Sites, the majestic Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri and Agra Fort. The area specializes in biryani and kebabs. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India. Tamil Nadu is world renowned for its heritage, rich huge temples with lofty gateways.
Your hands out. One more time. Clap on your laps and hands out. We're gonna do this step 4 times. How many times? And then at the top, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1,
from beginning till circle, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2,